to Dateline Polk with news about your county government. I'm your host, Leanne Thomas. Today you'll learn about County Commissioners' actions from the April 1st meeting. The board approved transferring approximately $268,000 from the Solid Waste Reserve for Contingency Fund to the Solid Waste Capital account to purchase an excavator. The new excavator replaces equipment critical to operations at the North Central landfill. The board also approved an agreement with the Florida Department of Environmental Protection to receive grant funding for the Lake Gwynn Surface Water Restoration Project. Lake Gwynn is located in the Juanita community. The Florida Department of Environmental Protection grant will contribute $585,000 toward this construction, requiring the county to provide a $552,000 match coming from the county's Drainage and Water Quality Fund. The Board of County Commissioners adopted a resolution authorizing the issuance of public facilities revenue refunding bonds to refinance outstanding debt. The resolution for the refunding bonds means annual interest savings for the county. In other news, Pedro, also called Pete Perez, was appointed by the board to the Community Relations Advisory Committee to a 4-year term expiring in April 2018. The board proclaimed April as Water Conservation Month in Polk County. Bill Graf from South Florida Water Management District accepted the proclamation.
April is usually the driest month of the year, so it's just an opportunity to remind residents that, our water resources are precious, they are limited, and, be mindful of the value of water and use it that way. I mean, use it knowing that it is a limited resource. In Polk County, we do have the blessing of a fairly well-informed populace. Of course, Polk County Utility does a good job of explaining to people, and also, from a taxpayer standpoint, we work collaborative in this county. We don't have to look that far into the past to see where attorneys got very wealthy off of this water issue while solutions were not achieved. So the good news is we are working together here in Polk County across county lines with other regional suppliers to meet the needs of all of our communities without a lot of rancor and legal action.
Poet John Davis Jr. accepted a proclamation recognizing April as National Poetry Month.
We are seeking an increased emphasis on the literary arts. We do a wonderful job with the visual arts and the fine arts here in Polk, and we would like to raise awareness of those of us who are engaged in the literary arts, as well as the possibility for practitioners of other forms of writing to make Polk County home. And the National Poetry Month proclamation is certainly one way to do that.
The board proclaimed April 25th as Polk County Government Commuter Services Day. Christine Diaz and Jan Parham accepted that proclamation.
The District 1 Commuter Services Program is a program that offers carpool, vanpool, and green initiatives. And we'd like the residents to know that on April 25th is a day for individuals within the county to either carpool, vanpool, and plus track their trips.
The Commuter Services Program is a resource, a tremendous resource for everyone. It encourages people to think about alternative modes of travel: biking, walking, carpooling, transit, working from home. I mean, these are options that we all can save money on day to day, getting fit, walking to transit, getting on your bike. I mean, these are all opportunities for you to just get out there, get fit, get active. During Earth Month, this is a great opportunity, for you to get involved. And on April 25th, we encourage everybody to get on the bus. Try it. If you've never tried it, this is a great opportunity for you to try it. Start tracking your trips, and you can see how much money you're saving. You know, maybe you're curious to see about your carbon footprint, to see how much for Earth Month, what you're going to be doing, you know, on a day-to-day. Well, this is an opportunity. Remember, the resources are there. You just have to call and get involved. www.commuterservicesfl.com is a great website. There's a toll-free number. There's an opportunity for you to get involved, register. You might need an emergency ride home. But remember, you got to register. You got to get involved. So go green, save green during Earth Month.
During afternoon public hearings, 2 hearings considered changes to land at the northeast corner of Pollard Road and County Road 540A in Lakeland. First, they approved a request from county staff to change the future land use designation on approximately 4.83 acres from residential low to institutional use. This will allow for Polk County Utilities to construct another water production tank on this site in the future. They also adopted an ordinance to change the land development map at the Pollard Road Water Treatment Plant. This ordinance allows for construction of a communications tower on the site that lets the county control utilities facilities in the Southwest Regional Utility Service Area through one central point. This reduces the need for additional manpower and enables swifter response to operational issues in the system. The board approved a request from Heaven Church of God in Winter Haven to change their future land use designation on approximately 1.33 acres from residential medium to institutional use. And finally, the board approved a request for a future land use change on nearly 5 acres of land at the intersection of Meadows Boulevard and Ronald Reagan Parkway near Champions Gate. This changes the site from residential medium to employment commercial use. Now, R.J. Walters has news about road construction in Polk County.
Thanks, Leanne. I might be the one sitting here running down the list of current road projects in Polk County, but the 19-member Polk TPO board is the entity that signs off on many of the road projects you pass by on a daily basis and see in future plans. Next Thursday at 9 a.m., the board will convene for its bi-monthly meeting, and the itinerary is chock full of highlights. The meeting will take place in the boardroom of the Neocumby Administration Building in Bartow, and also can be viewed on PGTV, on your television, or online. At the session, the board will discuss scheduled improvements to State Road 33 from Old Cumbie Road to north of Tomcow Road, a project that would span roughly 4.3 miles. Population levels are continuing to rise on and around the State Road 33 corridor, and with increased housing and employment numbers, traffic patterns are also expected to change. The plan is for the roadway to be expanded from 2 lanes to 4, for a center median to divide the 4 lanes, and for improvements to be made to the SR33 I-4 interchange. The board will be asked to endorse the preferred improvement alternative for the project, which is consistent with the TPO's 2035 Mobility Vision Plan. You can visit sr33polk.com for more details on the project. The board will also hear a status update on the proposed Central Polk Parkway from Florida Department of Transportation staff. The parkway is proposed as a 6-lane highway that will provide additional north-south routes in the central Polk County region from the Polk Parkway all the way around the east side of the county to I-4. A project study on the Interstate 4 interchange of the proposed highway is underway, and all of the project details can be viewed online at centralpolkparkway.com. Ronnie Blackshear, the TPO's director, will provide a presentation on the TPO's recent community forum on passenger rail at the upcoming meeting. If you're interested in the feasibility of passenger rail coming to Polk County in the near future and want to see what types of planning can help accommodate that in the future, be sure to tune into the meeting on the 10th. While the TPO board is always aiming to improve our transportation system in the future, there are an endless supply of projects you're likely to see while traveling through Polk in the next few weeks. Starting with the daytime delays and closures, here are roads to expect slowdowns and flaggers at. The Interstate 4 eastbound exit ramp at County Line Road and South Frontage Road. Rock Ridge Road at Gator Creek in North Lakeland. Memorial Boulevard at North Brunel Parkway. US 27 from Ritchie Road to south of Berry Road. US 27 in Davenport from Berry Road to US 192. US 27 in Haines City from Silvercrest Drive to Bates Road. US 17 at Crossover Road. Airport Road at the intersection of Old Tampa Highway. Airport Road north of Drainfield Road, 1st Street in Winter Haven between Avenue C North and Avenue D North, State Road 60 at Diesel Road, State Road 37 at the Mulberry Bridge from south of State Road 60 over the Alafire River, State Road 37 from Cozart Road to Bethlehem Road, State Road 37 at County Road 630, State Road 549 in Winter Haven between Avenue C North and Avenue D North, Lakeland Hills Boulevard between Parkview Place and East Valencia Street, State Road 17 from State Road 544 to Hinton Avenue in Haines City, and State Road 17 in Frostproof at Palm Street. There is no shortage of nighttime construction either. If you're out late, look for orange barrels and big machines causing delays in the following locations. At US 98 from County Road 548 to Winter Lake Road, US 98 from Daughtery Road to West Soakum Loop Road, US 98 at Williamstown Boulevard, US 27 in Haines City from Silvercrest Drive to Bates Road, US 27 at the intersection of Dundee Road, US 27 in Davenport from Berry Road to US 192, Cumbie Road at North Crystal Lake Drive, Hardin Boulevard from West Beacon Road to Beacon Terrace Entrance, Airport Road north of Drainfield Road, Memorial Boulevard at North Lincoln Avenue, State Road 546 between Kettles Avenue and Texas Avenue D, Cypress Gardens Boulevard in Winter Haven from Overlook Drive to US 27, and State Road 17 from State Road 544 to Hinson Avenue in Haines City. That's the lowdown on the construction rundown, and for regular or emergency road updates, check out the Polk TPO on Facebook or follow us on Twitter. With information and updates on the plan that moves Polk, I'm RJ Walters.
Hello, I'm Joy Johnson, Interim Director for Polk County Indigent Healthcare Division. Our vision is to empower Polk County residents to improve their quality of life through better health and well-being. Our mission is to enhance the quality of life for vulnerable Polk County residents through access to community health care services in the most cost-effective and efficient manner. The Indigent Healthcare Division for the Board of County Commissioners operates the Polk Healthcare Plan, a local healthcare safety net program for individuals up to 100% of the federal poverty level, having little to no healthcare options available to them. Medical services are available to eligible clients through a countywide network of care that has been made possible through many public and private partnerships with hospitals, physicians, diagnostic testing facilities, and other medical professionals. In addition to running the Polk Healthcare Plan, the Indigent Healthcare Division also partners with a number of community agencies to provide primary care and other types of wraparound services to low-income residents up to 200% of the federal poverty level that also don't qualify for the Polk Healthcare Plan. These services include mental health and substance abuse, residential and transitional programs, dental services, pharmacy assistance programs, and much more. Funding for the program is made possible by a voter-approved half-cent sales surtax for indigent healthcare services. The spending of the half-cent sales surtax is overseen by a Citizens Oversight Committee, whose members are appointed by the Polk County Board of County Commissioners. The committee ensures the integrity of the expenditure of the indigent healthcare sales tax funds, and the public meetings provide a forum for citizen participation in healthcare planning. I'd like to highlight some of the programs discussed at the most recent meeting held on March 21st. MedNet and Travis Career Center's dental program. The first program, MedNet, was presented by the Executive Director, Elizabeth Rugg. MedNet is a community-based program designed to expand access to prescription medications for low-income residents with chronic health conditions. MedNet secures free prescription medications from pharmaceutical manufacturers for the uninsured or underinsured without prescription drug coverage, inability to afford high-cost medications, and that have incomes less than 250% of the federal poverty level. Individuals must obtain an original prescription and proof of income. The medications secured through this program assist with medical conditions relative to arthritis, asthma, allergies, diabetes, gastrointestinal, heart, cholesterol, stroke, mental health, and much more. The program assists in fulfilling a need for the low-income residents of Polk County, as medically necessary prescriptions can be costly and unavailable for insurance coverage. For more information about this program, please contact Brenda Stewart at area code 863-413-2620 or Martine Nelson at area code 863-280-6984 or area code 863-3 353-6853. The next program discussed was Travis Career Center, the dental program, by Susan Rexroth, Dental Clinic Coordinator. Dental care is a key component in cultivating good physical health. Travis Career Center's dental clinic offers basic dental care services for the low-income, uninsured, and underinsured residents of Polk County. Their mission is to assist citizens in decreasing health disparities, promote healthy lifestyles and environment, and improve access to dental care. The clinic serves two purposes: to provide free dental services for low-income residents of Polk County and training dental assisting students in providing clinical services which better prepares them for employment after graduating from the dental assisting program. Services offered include cleanings and preventive services and fillings. Other services provided include dentures and partials, crown buildups, endodontics, dental health education, and simple extractions. In addition, they have recently added oral surgery services available 1 day a week. The preventive services, treatment, and education help to reduce expensive and costly dental problems. This sometimes results in emergency room visits, which is expensive to taxpayers. Additionally, Travis Career Center coordinates the annual Give Kids a Smile campaign, where volunteers, including dental specialists, come together 1 day a year to provide free dental services to a number of children in Polk County. This year alone, 67 children received free dental care. Travis Career Center's dental clinic is open 2 days a week to provide basic dental care services to Polk Healthcare Plan members and residents under 200% of the federal poverty level. For more information about this program, please contact Susan Rexroth at area code 863-499-2700. The next scheduled Citizens Healthcare Oversight Committee meeting is Friday, April 18th from 8:30 to 10:30 in the County Commission Boardroom, located at 330 West Church Street in Bartow.
While the Florida Legislature meets in Tallahassee, PGTV will be bringing you daily coverage of House and Senate committee meetings and sessions. We invite you to watch your state government take up measures that are important to Polk County. And to keep current with programs in progress in the county, visit us online at polk-county.net or follow us on Facebook and Twitter. We encourage you to join us at the next scheduled board meeting at 9 a.m. on Tuesday, April 15th. Thank you for watching this edition of Dateline Polk.